Hello and welcome. Today we will see how we can use ChatGPT for the PLC programming. So in the last video, what we have done, we have used ChatGPT and to generate one PLC code. So from the ChatGPT, we have copied that code and we have used it in TI portal. So now in this video, what we will do, we will give one requirement to the ChatGPT and we will ask ChatGPT to generate a function block or function for the TI portal which will be ready to use. So let us begin. So we'll go to the ChatGPT. So here we will give one requirement. So the requirement is there is one pump and pump is used to control level of the vessel. So for the vessel there are level switches, one is high and one is low. So when high level switch detects, pump should get off, and low level switch detects, pump will start again. So pump, so those okay. So now what we'll do, we'll we will give our requirement to the chat GPT. When low level detects, pump, pump should start pump should start pump pump should start and stop from the respective push button also. So here we have to mention about function block. We want to use the we want ready to use function block for the TI portal. So now let us see. So this is the functionality requirement which we have given. So these are the inputs and outputs of the FB. So ready to use SCL code is this one. So if start button pressed, pump latch true, manual stop. If stop push button pressed, pump latch stop. When high level detects, pump latch false. When low level detects, pump latch true. And final output, the pump latch is transferred to our pump run output. And this is the end function block. So what we will do, we will copy this code. Now what we have to do, we have to copy this code, we have to paste it in notepad, we have to save it as SCL format so that we can import it into the TI portal. Now we will see. Go to the text document. Here we can paste the required code, and here we have to save as in the SCL format. Level control dot SCL. So this file name, it should be in the double quotation. So now our file is saved it in SCL format. So what we will do, here we have to go to the TI portal. So there is one option called external source file. So these are older one. So here add new external file. So we have to select level control. So it is added in the external source file. We have to right click that file and we have to simply click on generate block from source file. So during the block generation, any existing blocks are overwritten. Blocks are the blocks which are open and PLC data types on the CPU are closed and reopened again. So do you want to continue? Yes. So here it will automatically generate the FB. So now here you can see FB underscore pump control, it is generated FB1. So now what we can do, simply we can pull this in OB so that it will be in the scan time. So as it is FB, we can use this FB for number of module, for number of instances. So now let's say there are more than one number of vessel. Let's say there are 100 number of vessel. So same code we cannot write it again and again. So we can use this function block 100 times so to control the level of that particular vessel. So now it is called in OB. So now we will save it and we will download it into the PLC. Start the module. We will go in monitor mode. So now here what we'll do, we will go to this pump1 instance, and from here we will force the value so that we can easily check the output. So here PLC is in stop mode, we can make it run. Okay, now PLC is ready. So now what we will do, we will press the start button. Start button pressed, start button released. So we can see the output is true. Again what we will do, we will push the stop button. Once the stop button pressed, output is off. Again we will press the start button, output is on. Now we will detect the high level switch. Okay, here as it is press push button, we have to make it 0 once again. Okay, now for the high level, just if we detect it, it should go off. Yeah, pump is getting off. Now we will detect low level to see whether the pump is starting or not. Yes, pump is starting. Again make it 0. So now high level, pump is off. Now once low level detects, pump is running again. So in this way we can use ChatGPT to directly generating this FB. Also we can generate a FC so that we can directly use it in the main OB. So in this way what we can do, we can speed up our development by using ChatGPT so that our testing time it will be reduced. So our PLC code, and at the end our the efficiency of the PLC, it will be increased. Thank you.